Galanz fridge. 3-in-1 start. Let's try it. This is a starter pack to try and juice up your fridge because it's not cooling anymore. Fridge full of liquid popsicles. Sponsored by the Big Texan Steak Ranch. 72 ounces and it's free. My shirt was a gift from one of our Patreons, King of Tulevin. Thank you. Appreciate it. This one's for you. Just rip this box off. Don't even do anything. Alright, I'm going to disconnect these cords. Alright. Oh no! Oh no, it's Penny! I'm being attacked! So, this is the newest edition, Penny. Natural born star, Chris. Penny's bottom. Take a screwdriver and prop off this black box. And you move it back and you try and get this off. Ow! Biting me. Just prop off the over. There you go. Just jam it off. Pop that baby off. And then you pop this off. The overhead protector. And then you pop that off. Then you pop and lock and drop. Then you pop this off. This is the overcurrent protector. Then you pop it off. Then you unscrew the ground wire. You just pop this off by unscrewing it. And it just pops off. And then you take this off. And then take it off. And take this off. Then we get our 3-in-1 kit. And then we got the instructions. Open it up. Pop it out. Pop these off. These caps. And we got 2 powers. We got red wire. Where are you? Red. We got 3, 5, and we pop these off. Pop that off. Now we're going to attach to there. So take these right here. I'm just going to pop this box off here. Pop that off. Then you get here to the relay and pop it off. We got white and no, don't chew up the startup. And we pop that out. Pop this out. Pop. Pop that off. Pop that. Pop this out. Pull that off. Get off. Relay. Pop that off. Then pop this out. It won't pop. There we go. Got it. So this is the compressor. The important part is right here. The top is common. The one closest inward is the start, and then the bottom one towards the back is the run, or the M. This shows us that the black one is the common that goes up top. The white one is the start, so that goes freezer side, and then the red one will be close to the back on the bottom. I'll show you in a second. Boys, I don't even know what this shirt means. Looking for beans? Thanks, Chris. Alright, so this is how I have it wired. And I reconnected the ground wire. And I'm going to, pretty sure this is the power. So I'm going to snip these off and connect it to these two. And I'm going to use these to twist them on after. Hope this is right, guys. Wish me luck. Alright, let's peel this thing back. Let's cut this guy off. Alright, just connecting each to each. The wire nuts, twist them on. Doesn't matter which one for the black wires. These are the power wires. Go on either side, just twist them and hope that that was the right thing to cut from the original fridge. Thank you, Galanz. Let's see if this works. Plug it in, see if it blows up. Sounds good to me. Here goes nothing. We got power! It's alive! I mean, the compressor was already working. Why did I even do this? I don't know. It was a $15 try. Let's see if it gets cold. No, it just looks a lot more dangerous now. This is pretty much just a power cord plugged in. So I'm going to tape it up. And now we're safe. Well, at least the electrical fire will be outside. I just jammed it all back in. And gonna turn it back on because we just got a new puppy and I don't want it to get electrocuted. Alright, me and the boys are gonna check back in with the fridge here, see if it did anything different. I don't think it did. Didn't do anything. Nothing. It's colder outside than it is in there. Yeah, it didn't work, but gotta love Galanz for trying.